Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google My Business listing easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Google My Business account. Sign in using the email associated with your business. Once logged in, locate the listing you want to fix. Click on the listing to access its dashboard. Review the information displayed on the dashboard. Check your business name for accuracy. Ensure your address is correct and formatted properly. Verify that the phone number listed is current and operational. Review your business hours. Make any necessary adjustments to your operating hours. If applicable, update your website URL. Scroll down to the Photos section. Add, remove, or update images to represent your business accurately. Check the Services section if it applies to your business. List all services or products you offer. Review the Posts feature for any outdated posts. Delete or update any posts that no longer reflect your business status. Next, check the Reviews section. Respond to any customer reviews to engage with your audience. After making changes, look for the Save button. Click on Save to ensure all updates are applied. Check for any suggestions or alerts from Google. Follow any additional recommendations provided. Monitor your listing for changes over the next few days. If needed, update your listing regularly to keep information fresh. Visit the Insights section periodically to evaluate performance. Make adjustments based on customer engagement data. Confirm that your listing appears correctly on Google Maps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.